guys, so I'm going to be coloring my Longqi hair. This is their Brazilian curly, and I just got a hair like this similar from another company. So I'm actually going to be coloring these 3 bundles, 20, 18 and 16, and a 16-inch for closure. But I want to cut the 16-inch closure down to about a 14-inch, so that I have more of a layered look. So this is what the hair does. Oh, and I get this in it as well. These lashes, and believe it or not, you guys, I use these lashes. So let me just put these up. So let me color the longest bundle first, which is the 20-inch bundle. It's very nice. Ooh, it is soft. This is their Malaysian. This has to be their Malaysian. It's really, really soft. Really soft. Really soft. Nice and soft. It has to be their Malaysian. Alright, so I'm going to be coloring all these bundles. And what I'm going to be using is my peroxide. I know in Jamaica you can buy them by the bag. So I bought the peroxide, and then I'm going to be using my 40 volume developer. So I don't have any fancy setup. While I was doing this, Jeremy said, babe, whenever put one candle bag underneath it. And I'm like, I don't know. So all I'm doing is I'm brushing on the peroxide along with the basic white just onto the hair. So first I brushed it on the side that is seeing me brushing it on now. Then I'm going to flip it and brush it onto the other side, and I just saturate the entire hair with the mixture. Now if you want it to sit longer, obviously have it stay a little bit longer, but I was kind of getting nervous. Like when I was doing the step, I have this is the closure. I have the bundles in a plastic bag. It's like the bag got so hot, and I was like, oh my god, I hope I don't ruin the hair. Then I got really worried about the closure as well. I was like, you know what, I have to take this off. I also put some of the mixture on the lace itself. And you guys, I mean, I'm looking at this wig, and I cannot, when I put it on, I cannot tell where my hairline is. I love how it looks. So this is what it looks like. That's the scandal bag that it was in, and this is what it looks like. The bundles look like. I just taken them out, and it's so hot. That's the color. So here's the real color. It's a nice little blonde color. I love this color. It's a 217, I think. I don't remember. Or 27, number 27. It's that color, isn't it? I really love how it looks. Now, this wig, actually, I was going to show you guys how I made the wig, but I just did one. The only thing is I did 2 steps differently, and I just felt like it made the wig it made it sit better. So what I'm going to do is, for the next hair that I get, I'm going to show you guys that technique. Well, this hair, oh, this is the dome cap that I'll be using. This is a dome cap I'm much more used to. This is a spandex one. Yeah, so here we go. Here's the wig. Made it all done. The color, I just got here and put it on.
Mom, this is a brush drop on the floor.
Oh, thank you. You guys, I really like how this looks. I like how it feels. Oh my, it's very tame. But this is their Brazilian curly from Longqi Hair, and you guys just see me, guys. So I colored everything was on it today, so it's still a little bit damp at the root. But I don't know. I really think I like this. I cut the closure as well. I told you guys this is I was going to cut the closure. It was 16, so I cut it down. And I feel like that kind of, you know, bump it up a little bit. Let me see if I can finger comb it. You know, these curls. If you guys hear my husband playing, he's rehearsing in his room. He's a drummer. Should I do like a bang with this hair? Yeah, I've been thinking that I wanted to do a bang with one of my hairs. One of my curly hair. But I love how this looks. I love how it's fitting. You guys, I love it. I can't wait to do a tutorial with this hair, you guys. It's nice. It's an unfiltered review with no makeup, just hair, honey. Am I too sweaty for you guys? Should I have like applied some translucent powder? So this is all that's left from the 16-inch bundle. And it's what's this, folded, is that? So this is everything that's left. Good amount. I love the color. Alright, so you guys are seeing first. Not first, I think Instagram or Snapchat, sorry, first. Yeah, this is it. Brazilian curly, Longqi hair. I'll have the info in the description for you guys. There's something right here on my nose and I can't. There we go. Yes, okay, so shedding, yes, a little bit. I did not cut the waves. Yeah, I did not cut the waves for this hair at all. The only time I cut it was when I was finished with the wig. I love it. It's so light for Brazilian hair too. You guys, I'm in love. This is nice. I love it. I love the color. I love how the clothes just cut short. I love it, guys. I love it. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys in the next video, guys. Bye. Longqi here. Thank you for sending me the territory review. Huh? You want to say bye-bye? Come.
Bye.
Wait. Tell them bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Tell them Longqi hair.
Longqi hair.